Alright, let's keep it real. Did you know your car's color could make or break your wallet? Yellow cars? Total MVPs of the road, losing only 13.5% of their value in 3 years. Meanwhile, black cars? Yeah, they're slick, but they're also out here depreciating like nobody's business, hitting 24%. And don't even get me started on the colors that'll have you crying into your coffee when it's resale time. Curious which ones? Stick with us on Cartoons, where we keep your ride savvy and your wallet happy. Yo, Cartoons fam! Welcome back to the channel that's all about smart car moves and dodging the pitfalls. Today we're chopping it up about car colors. Did you know that certain colors can tank your car's resale value or even make it harder to spot on the road? Let's see how your car's paint job might be costing you more than you think. The color you pick isn't just about flexing in the parking lot. It could be messing with your money, your safety, and maybe even your street cred. Plus, we'll debunk that whole car color equals higher insurance thing. Let's get into it and make sure your whip is on point, financially and otherwise. Let's break it down. Choosing a car color isn't just about looking fresh. Some colors are straight up wallet-draining ninjas. They depreciate faster than a TikTok trend, and others? They're practically invisible on the road, upping your accident risks. Oh, and that myth about red cars costing more to insure? Spoiler alert, it's bogus. But we'll touch on how your color still plays a sneaky role in your overall costs. So, how do you dodge these paint job pitfalls? Stick around, we're spilling all the tea. Let's talk facts. Because understanding this could save you big bucks, and yeah, we might throw in a little shade at bad choices too. If you want to keep some coins when it's time to sell, yellow's your MVP. It's rare, cheerful, and depreciates only 13.5% in 3 years. Now black cars? They're the IG influencer of colors, super popular but losing almost 24% of their value. And don't even get us started on gold and brown. Those two are basically the nickelback of car colors, losing 45.6% and 42.1% in value respectively. Ouch! Light colors like white and yellow are practically the neon signs of the road. Everyone sees them, and that's a good thing. Black cars? They're like ninjas in the night. Cool, but invisible. Which sounds awesome until you realize it means other drivers might not see you coming. That lack of visibility can make night driving or bad weather a lot more dangerous. Visibility matters, people. Stay seen, stay safe. Let's squash this myth once and for all. Insurance companies don't care about your car's color. They're not sitting around saying, oh, it's red, let's charge more. What they do care about are accident stats and repair costs, and yes, darker cars, like black and gray, tend to get dinged up more often. So while it's not the paint job itself, the stats don't lie. Alright fam, here's the moment of truth. The top 3 worst car colors to buy, aka the shades that'll leave your wallet weeping. Gold might make you think of luxury, but when it comes to cars, it's a fool's gold situation. Depreciates 45.6%. That's half your cash gone faster than your paycheck on payday. Brown cars? They're like that one friend who's always late to the party. Not popular, hard to sell, and they drop 42.1% in value. Look, black cars are hot, literally. They overheat in the summer and they lose 24% of their value. Plus, remember the ninja visibility problem? Yeah, not helping. Sure, they might look good now, but these colors are the financial equivalent of wearing white sneakers to a mud run. Think twice before you commit. Alright, Cartoons crew, here's the bottom line. Your car's color is more than just a vibe. It's a decision that can impact your wallet and your safety. Whether it's about resale value dropping faster than a bad stock pick or being nearly invisible on the road at night, your color choice matters. Make sure your ride isn't just stylish but also a smart investment. Now it's your turn. What color is your car, and have you noticed any pros or cons from it? Slide into the comments and let us know. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and check out our next video on car buying hacks. Until next time, keep your ride tight and your wallet even tighter.